Sometimes during the day, you just need a quick pick me up. And this is the moment where I realized that this would be my pick me up for the day. This patient was so sweet. She was keep on apologizing about her quote unquote dirty ears. And I let her know that I honestly don't mind cleaning out ears during the day just because as an ENT, I kind of have the code switch between the patients where for one patient, I'll be delivering horrible news like cancer and then switching to managing a very hard infection, either in the sinuses or the ears. And, that's why I chose being an ENT, just because I do like juggling between hard problems and complex problems, but it is nice to just have something very easy, like cleaning out earwax for me. And this one was so fun just because I was able to get it out in one fell swoop. And obviously, she felt so much better because this amount of earwax was affecting her hearing. But hope you guys enjoyed this very quick one here. Here's a picture of her earwax out of her ear, and here's her eardrum afterwards. Hope you guys have a great day.